me not go toe to toe with you. Come here 45 and you are what, 32? And you don't look half like me. Me have 3 kids, one at 27, 23, and the next one I gonna be 5. In a month and a half. So come talk with me, Rosalie. You want a volcano to sit down over. When you piss and shit, you want to beat it. To set up your water underneath your crutches and wash it out. And one for go up in your body wall. Because your body wall deeper than the ocean, girl. Don't get there. I'm talking. Come here, no man. I want to share the life because you tell them to tag me. You tell them to tag me. Oh, can you? Look here. I vex, you vex up. Jake's also got cast for 600,000 next week by premix. And you move out to your mother run room. And them care back a God. Back a God.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and can't see upon the week. Why? Out on the screen, it's been a hectic week for us Jamaicans when it comes to social media. And you don't think so? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Besides the T-listers, look what's happening with the A-listers. This man said, as it's been brought to my attention, that Mr. Vegas is now suing Bounty Killer for defamation of character. No, I don't know what exactly Bounty Killer said, because, you know, he's been saying a lot of things since this clash with Massacre and Tamily. This man saying I do a whole bunch of posts and delete and all of these things, you see me? And according to the article, it is things stem from some posts from January 8th. So like I said, I'm not seeing 8 on him page, but only except for one page, in one Uno General, where he posted up this caption, you know, saying this is Vegas, be man, and all of these things, you see. But nevertheless, the court is set to hear this matter on January 19th. So yeah, we're sure to keep it up to date on that aspect, you see me. Now moving on to the next dancehall artist and ad said chronicler. Yes, people, we finally get an update from the U.S. Immigration and Custom Border Enforcement Agency, ICE website. Because, you know, first day, them never really tell him where they did. Him they did. You see what I say? And now it says, you know, him there Alcatraz. You see what I say? The alligator pan, where them a keep the big man them in a new facility. Right? But some people say nobody not being kept there, but most likely it's at the Chrome facility in Miami. You see my people. Like I said, my intel saying this is a gang crackdown. You see my saying this is definitely TCO, business trans criminal organization. You know what I mean? So chronically in a serious predicament right now. But when we get more information from the streets, you know, we're in the street inside of them, we'll be sure to let you know what going for that to go on. You see me? Now time for some T-list mix-up. That's what most of us is here for. Wow, I don't know what happened between these two, but Sunshine Dial deal with Rosalie away, you know, wickedly. You see me? So let's hear what she has to say, and then we'll hear what Rosalie has to say in response. Is me?
I'm mad out. I one place you spit your shit. You spit your dashy boy, you do everything. You was a girl me that cheer for. But you's nobody for no anyone on the app to cheer for. You is nobody, Rosalie, for nobody cheer for on the app. You's a disgrace to the whole world woman community. You are a disgrace. You are a charismite to the woman community. Rosalie, remember say a TikTok bill. A TikTok bill and to go break you. And a TikTok bill me have a 9 to 5 rose. My data set like the ice in a freezer. My daughter set for the rest of her life like the ice in a freezer. Rose, not talk about my daughter. Don't call my daughter name in your mouth. No call my daughter Banya, my daughter American citizen. My daughter set, when I say my daughter set, she set like the ice in a freezer. And what do you, Rose? You don't have half of what my daughter have. Me look up 5-year-old, you're not gonna have half of what she have, Rose, and you will never. You move out to your mother house, you should move in your old house. And you're not moving it, a rent house, you're gone in your workplace. A Jake's successor, mad you. True Jake's come out and talk. It'll beat you. Rosalie, go take care of your health. Take care of your vagina first. You don't need a gynecologist. You need more than a gynecologist. That's what you need. You need more than a gynecologist, Rosalie. Go and take care of your vagina. And after you take care of your vagina, you gotta take care of your foot. That's when me and you meet up together in a real life, Rose. We can back it out because one little shot girl and me see beat you. Don't worry and you say, oh, are your foot sick and that's why you drop. Me don't want you to come back, come tell TikTok, so when me a clash in a life, you say, are your foot white sunshine, I'll beat you up. Rosalie, me not afraid of no girl. Anywhere in a Jamaica, me come, me go. And people see that, and me go live. Yeah, me make sure I go live, because I'm not afraid of nobody. Rosalie, don't come for me. Me I warn you. Because I'm not afraid of you, I'm not afraid of you, man. Because remember, you know, I chew me a lick out for your man yesterday, you come for me, you know, girl. Because I talk about your mother-in-law give me cousin jacket, you know. And I'm the auntie that look about him down at Whitehall. Ask him if he deliver Whitehall. Ask him now. Ask him if he deliver Whitehall. And him next little brother, him usually spot him up because we never know say my jacket. Until the DNA prove. Hey girl, don't come for me, you know. No bother with me, you know, Rosalie. Because Rosalie, me will done you like an empty gun because you see people on the app and want to come bully and things that people can't cause. Because when me attack and people come on my platform, me come tell me if it done. And Lord, this me not allow it, your man a batty man. Your man a batty man. And he man snow there in a real life. I'm not afraid of nobody, me bad in a real life, Rose. Me bad in a real life. No girl can't use bathroom for you, no, Rosalie. Come here, say no, Rosalie. No girl can't use bathroom when I use that, you know. Oh, they have to make that ear out. They have to make that ear out. Hey, Rose, go look at life, Rose. Rose, you want to beat it. If you don't pan when you've done piss and shit. If you pour up some water in your vagina and clean out that girl. And clean out your stinking body. All your enabler may support. I don't want your clout. Me don't want your clout, Rosalie. Cause all your enabler them are batty them finger. Batty them finger and flick out shit and then they go cook food give people for them. Me don't want them on my side. Rose, me don't want your enabler them on my side. Rose, me don't want no clout cause your clout them are the worst clout on TikTok. Me not ask Christ. How you think you be? Me glad so Diamond just take her away from you. Cause you that bring down Diamond career and I mash up Diamond career. You dirty Rosalie. Stinky dinky. You me attack. You see the big like a flat. They between your leg. My man no wanna pillar this so. My man no wanna pillar this so. And stop call out the boy name cause Jake's no gonna eat your crutches. Cause any man see when you open your crutches and get that smell, they leave. They leave, Rosalie. Rosalie, don't ramp with me, man. Rosalie, nobody make me wheel out, you know, hey, no man, me real out, you know, Rosalie. Can you think so I can't trace? Me have dirty hair in my mouth than you, you know, Rose. Rosalie, me have dirty hair in my mouth than you, you know. But guess what? Me nah go do it. Guys, me I go end.
No, nothing more than my body part. Me no shame and nothing. This is my broad back. I know me sit a reduce. Come upon the injection and the notch turn up to 10. Me no shame and nothing. Me no shame and nothing. Me no shame and nothing. So the fact them want drop out, me have them pan me. My fat underneath me have a fat. Me a little bit. And a 2 ball drop out of one wood. And a 2 ball drop out of one wood a fat. Me leg fat. I'm a bend over to go drop them because I'm fat. And all fat woman have it. Yeah. So I don't feel like so I don't see me nice, clean support of them come. I don't dib them out. I pay nice people come here. Doctor, lawyer, nurse, all type of good clean that woman see me and like me for me and can relate. And so me I come from to me reach where me I go. Me not run joke. Me not run joke. Yeah. Me don't want to come. Oh, Rosalie and don't Bobby show my classmate. Tell me some big and shit bad. Don't come to about, oh, Rosalie no always a body shame the girl like when I want to feel some type of way when they say, oh, always a body shame the girl. Here's some of them no hypocrite. Bumbo. Hypocrite, me no want to have me invitation, you know. Hypocrite. Oh, them always a body shame the girl. And when you're in a cast that you're big and stay, but me know. Dr. Miami they all about. DR surgery they all about. My type of telling already. Me know Michelle. Never heard no man on my phone. Me love me. I'm confident in me. And sometimes I meet some boy in my life, sometimes I meet some boy in my life, I don't want to duck up and tack up to take them. That's why I stay far from some boy. When I look, I don't look. I like me and I love me. Me not think say, me go on a knife 2 times. Me not think me go on a knife, me go on a knife 2 times. Me not think me want go on a knife, go change my appearance, yeah boy want me. I run down image. At 2 times I go on a knife. 2 times. 2 times. I see section me get 2 times. So I don't think me not go on a knife, yeah, image yeah boy want me. And so I don't want me, for me, and my fun and laughter now, my vibes ways one. If I want a rubber cut, I'll take it. No for them when me here argue with me. Uno the one big no for uno me here argue with me, the ones big like me, have the same well for fat and a Newton, I cut it off. For turning a smaddy. Me not have to do that. Me natural. If a person can't love you with your flaws, they don't fucking love you. Me not buy love. Genuine love cannot be bought. That's why I not do the most by you. I come with my true self. Move. At 2 times I go on that 2 times I go on a knife. I know it feels. When I get cut underneath the bell bottom, I see you when I come off the bed. See ya? How I doing it in a mascot? When I go to surgery, I come with a surgery. See ya when I come off the bed? I have to barely draw 1 foot. Chat when I have Shanchan. Up at Jubilee. I have Shanta. I want PP. It take me more than 20 minutes to come off of the bed. I turn on this side, I can't turn on that side. I turn on that side, I can't. Never take me look at time and draw myself over the bed and draw. I'm going to come and say, oh, Father God, thank you. I'm going to take me look at time and me can't even run. See me a creep? I'm going to turn Robocop. See me a? It's a bit time I reach on the bathroom door, but I was leg of the blood clot piece. Come, me I hold it too long. It take me about 20 minutes to come off of the bed. And me I feel hold the pee-pee. And you hold the pee-pee. And then when you hold the pee-pee, you know, so when you hold piece, make a belly bottom hurt and the cut and I need them if I let it go. We are talking about. God don't make everybody perfect. Me stick with my flaws. A boy don't want me, so don't want me none at all. I hold up people, me say in the world with 1 hand and 1 foot. 1 hand, me say handicap woman married. No hand, no. I tell you this. Genuine love cannot be bought. Someone are fix on yourself and still a wreck. Because the world, somehow the world, someone judge, I don't know what to say. Uno go do this and do that. And uno man really in a blood clot one. You know, fake. The fast button have no feelings and the stiff press no feelings not in it. No feelings not in that pure water. You know, fake. You don't have appearance. I buy it with appearance. Like a figurine. You know, a shelf girl. Figurine, no feelings. You know, come, the fakeness one have come like no feelings and no emotion. Man, I squeeze it and it come like nothing in it. Like falls. Me don't know no argument with no. My fat underneath my leg real. When I touch it, I feel it. My breast them real. When I touch it, I feel it. Me look back to what I have. When man slap it, I feel it. Me not run down, nothing we don't know. And sunshine girl, if you have woman who makes you go do your body, because you're big like me, you can't argue with me. If I see a boy, sunshine, if I see a boy, you know you're a long time. Or, not go down to the world for detail because I don't need to. If I see your boy, you know I'm trademark, long time, tap bat. Long time. Sucker the little sucker up, long time. Long time, obstacle in a man, a long time. I know. I mean, I really go down like that. Because I soon I know. So I know you come bring them out to me, miss. Leave me and my bag and flap them. Make comfortable with them. Be comfortable with them. Because man is not my life and my salvation. Man is not my life and my salvation. When underneath me have fat, I still can open it out and make you know so no scent nah come from under there. No scent. No scent. A man stink we up. Pussy clean itself. A man stink up woman. Sometimes we take some boy make us stink. We never start smell until we start for them. A man make woman stink. A boy ever, I said chat never day on a blood. We never take a boy out, they take all the blood clot boy and him coming on the house and take off underpants. Man stink. You think a woman stink, man stink. A man stink up woman. I don't know where you come about. The dope here argue with me. Well, and they can go play the match track. I will come back to the stories.
Yeah, and can you believe, say, it's only the 3rd week of January. You see me, I say, and it's really a whole mess. So you don't know the things that people, we're not going longer, this no longer, because we have more things to upload for us. So do the right thing and subscribe to me all over. Because we're going to do a live on TikTok later. Yeah. So follow me on TikTok, Kingmixup and Kingmixup channel. We have two up there. So. But anyway, we're not going to long it out, longer run here, so you see. Bless.